Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share your location with someone on Google Maps. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to share your location with someone on Google Maps. First, just open Google Maps and then just press and hold. After that, click share, and now just select how you want to share your location. Here you can share it on message, Gmail, Messenger, Facebook. Okay, just click more, and here just you can choose how you want to select to share. For example, if I want to share it via messages, just click on it, and after that just enter the phone number and then click send. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to share your location with someone on Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.